SM Icolan. Just having my window shopping. Welcome to my vlog. I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher B. Arlinda B. Basilio Rendon. I am fascinated with the Christmas decoration. Let's look at this. Dapat na i-presyo din no? Wala. Para makita tayo. Oh. Ala, tabang. Kasala ako. Oh. Wow. The horse. Nice one. Ang saan ni carousel? Christmas decoration. Nice decoration. The music.
Oh, gusto mo rent na? Ako nagre-rent. Awas ka ako
9,000 sir, no? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
So, this is 9,000. Come now to SM Icolan. Here in second floor. Available now, there are different decorations for Christmas. Just have a glimpse. I'm just capturing this. That's Sir, ang tawag ko sa iyo, Sir?
Legit.
Sir?
Legit.
Sir Niji? So this is Magway channel. I-picture ko lang sila. But these items are already available here in the shopping mall. So for those who would like to decorate their house this Christmas, come now and shop here, SM Icolan. And look for Sir Guapo there. Okay. This is it. Nice one. So many decoration. Thank you, sir. Salamat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's just go here with more Christmas decoration. They have also Santa Claus hat, okay, sombrero, different Christmas tree, green. And if you like to have a white Christmas, buy this one, the Christmas tree, 6 feet. Welcome. Welcome home. It's Christmas. Christmas tree. But I am fascinated with this. Yeah. This, what's this? Yellow Christmas, gold Christmas. Yeah. Let's have a post on the gold Christmas tree here in SM Icolan. Wonderful one. Yeah, terrific experience here for some more Christmas decoration. Let's just have our window shopping. This is it. Ouch. More decoration. I'm on the second floor. We're just capturing the different decoration. Let's try to glance the price here. This one is 999, almost 1K. How about my favorite gold Christmas? There's no price here. Well, look. Ouch! 12,299. This Christmas tree. 10 feet. If you like much higher, this one. Green. Just look for the price, 5,999. Another Christmas tree, 4,799. Welcome home for Christmas. This one. 6 feet. Made in China. Where's the price? Oh, 2,000 only. 999. Almost 3K.